Hey, and welcome back to Rami's Bar. Today we're going to be doing a second mocktail. It's called the Pineapple Spritzer Mocktail. For that, the optional spirit is going to be vodka or gin. I prefer vodka just because it mixes well with whatever ingredients we're going to be using today. And again, to clarify, the reason we're doing mocktails is because we got a lot of great, amazing friends that either don't drink or got pregnant, and we're trying to lose their 2020 belly that we all are trying to do, let's be honest. With that being said, let's get started. Before we start with the drink, I think you guys will notice that I'm wearing the same clothes between this episode and the one before. That's the reason for that is because last year we kind of fell behind on a few of those episodes, so we're trying to consolidate and then try to shoot as many episodes in one day as possible so that we make sure down the line we don't miss any of those episodes. So I do apologize if I'm looking, not changing my clothes between each episode, but I think that's not as crucial as the actual awesome drinks that we're doing over here. Let's do this. For today's episode, it's going to be a very, 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 very simple drink. We're going to be using pineapple juice. We got one from Trader Joe's. It's very good, so I suggest that. It's up to you. Pick your own favorite pineapple juice. I'm not going to tell you which one. Soda water, same like Grigio. I think it talks for itself. And mints. So we used mints in the previous episode, so go check it out. It's the Mojito, the Mocktail Mojito version. That was a really good drink. But for this one, again, like I said, it's very simple. I don't think we're even going to measure anything today. It's going to be eyeballing because it's easy. Bring your best looking glass that you got because it's a simple drink. So you need to have a fancy glass that, counteracts the simpleness of the drink. Add as much as you want. I'm going to add one more. Of course, try to your best to use clear ice because it gives that nice texture for the drink. We're going to do... You know what? This is a big ice cube. There we go. For this one, what we're gonna need is 1 part pineapple juice and then 2 parts sparkling water. And like I said, we're not measuring, eyeball it. But before actually you're gonna put your mint leaves. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our mints into the glass after we put in the ice. Pineapple juice going down in there. Trust me, it will mix. Very nice. Alright, so you can eyeball. It's 1 part pineapple juice, 2 parts sparkling water. I counted 4 on that one. I'll count to 8 on this one. And that's pretty much it. To complement it, of course, get a nice wooden straw like we got over here. Reusable. Don't get plastic straws and then start throwing them into the ocean and stuff like that. We don't want that. Stir it a little bit gently because you got some sparkling water in there. Of course, if you want it to be more sugary, you can add more sugar, more pineapple-y, change around the amounts of pineapple juice versus the sparkling water that you add in there, and then whatever spring leaves that you use, try to push them down to the bottom because you're going to garnish at the end with a nice mint bark. Is that what it's called? Thingy. With a nice mint leaves bark. And try to garnish with a nice mint bark, if you want to call it. And of course, your wooden straw. It makes this drink look more complicated than it is. And let's taste it. Okay, I really enjoy this drink. I'm not gonna lie. I'm surprised of how good it is. Like I said, make sure that you got good pineapple juice because that's mostly what you're going to be drinking, and great sparkling water. If you don't like either, you're not going to like this drink when you mix them together. So this is not one of those where you get the bad ingredients or bad drinks and you mix them together, it tastes awesome. No, act like it's a martini. You got to get the good gin to make a good martini, and this is what you need. Good at pineapple juice, good a soda water that you enjoy, mix them together. I mean, it's one of the best mocktails I've had so far. That includes the mojito, by the way. Like I said, optional. I would say vodka. If you're gonna add vodka, I would not put more than 1.5 ounces. It's a very light drink, so I think it will mix really quickly with the vodka. But again, it's up to you. Very nice drink. Very, very, very nice drink. Very refreshing. Hope you enjoyed this episode today. Don't forget to subscribe for more episodes like this one. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the next mocktails that we're going to show you guys and see what your reactions are and if you enjoy them or not. Cheers.